As the 2025 midterm elections draws near, the issue of Pogo politics in the country has surfaced. Commission on Elections or COMELEC Chair George Erwin Garcia disclosed on Tuesday, June 11, that it is among the concerns on electoral exercise.
Actually po, hindi lamang Pogo politics ang ating kinatatakutan. Yung narco politics ever since na andyan yan at kasama rin yung gambling politics.
Philippine offshore and gaming operators or POGO syndicates may finance the campaign of certain candidates, which is another challenge to maintaining the free exercise of the right to suffrage.
At isa pang nakakatakot, idadagdag ko na, yung massive use of public funds. Alam naman natin, at yan din yung gustong pigilan ng COMELEC, na nagagamit yung state resources upang i-finance ang kampanya ng ilang kandidato.
The poll body explained to thwart Pogo politics is not within the bound of their duty but of the law enforcement agencies. They need formal complaints to act if indeed money from Pogo is used in the elections.
Siguraduhin natin na hindi magagamit yung mga perang yan galing sa narco, galing sa drugs o galing sa Pogo o galing sa gambling, sa sugal upang ma-finance ang kandidatura ng isang kandidato. Kaya lang, kakailanganin natin ng suporta rin ng ibang ahensya ng pamahalaan.
The Commission will allow the public to freely access the Statement of Contributions and Expenditures or SOSE of all candidates in the incoming elections. SOSE will detail how much amount of money a candidate received and subsequently spent during the campaign.
Bakit itong isang kandidato gumamit ng plane, wala doon sa listahan? So, yan po, may empower natin yung ating mga botante, yung ating mga kababayan para ma-report sa amin na mali yung sinabmit nilang SOSE.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.